Hello friends, this video is about the latest update of ToolTip option in Power BI. If you hover the mouse on visual, you'll find a small black shaded tooltip with basic information, and this can be updated with additional data fields using the tooltips option under the fields area. So where I can add additional information and I can see the tooltip is giving that information as well. But in the earlier versions of Power BI, we were not able to modify this. This always be like black shaded only. And to have the tooltip, we were using a tooltip option. We are creating a tooltip page and applying the tooltip on this, a customized tooltip, using the format option under that. In the tooltip, we are using the report page and the page is the tooltip page. But now in the latest version of Power BI, few more options are added like label color, value color, and even background color. So currently it is showing black, which I can change it to a red color. And then I can change the transparency of the color. And then I can change the font family. I can change the text. And let me change the label color to maybe black, but the value color maybe to yellow. If I keep the cursor or hover the cursor on the visual, now the tooltip is no more black, but it is with different colors, whatever color you chose. This is the latest update, I think from March 2019 version, I believe. Hope you understood this and try practicing this, and it will give more options to you to handle your tooltips in a better way. So now you need not add a customized tooltip, even though the customized tooltip is much better version, but still this is also have so many options now. Hope you liked it.